Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.3 question number 7. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 for questions not attempted. Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? 2. Resma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? And 3. Hena gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempts. What is her score? Let us solve this problem in this way. That is, here for correct answers, marks awarded, marks awarded, marks awarded, awarded for correct answer, for correct answer is equal to 5 marks, that is plus 5, and marks awarded for incorrect answer, for incorrect answer, that is equal to minus 2 and 0 for questions not attempted. Marks awarded for not attempted. Marks awarded for not attempted question, not attempted. Not attempted, that is equal to 0. Right? Now question number 1. Question number 1 is, what is that? Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. What is their score? Then Mohan's score will be, Mohan's score will be that 4 correct answers, that is 4 into plus 5, 4 into plus 5, right? And 6 incorrect answers. 4 plus 6, that is 10 questions. 6 incorrect, that is plus 6 into minus 2. That is all 10 questions. She attempted 4 plus 6, that is 10 questions, right? That is, we multiply 4 5 is 20 plus 6 2 is 12 minus 12. Or we are getting 20 plus into minus is minus 12. That is, his score is 8 marks. His score is 8 marks. Right? Now question number 2. Question number 2 is, Resma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? It is Resma's score. Resma score. Resma's score is, here we are writing, Resma's score is 5 correct answers, that is 5 into plus 5, 5 into plus 5 plus 5 incorrect answers, that is 5 into minus 2, that is 5 into minus 2 into minus 2. What you are getting? That is 5 into 5, 5 is 25, and 5 into 10, that is plus into minus is minus, minus 5 to the 10. That is 25 minus 10. That means she is getting 15 marks. Resma's score is 15 marks. Right? Now question number 3. Question number 3 is, Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempts. What is her score? Right? Hina's score will be Hina's score will be how many? 2 correct answers. That is 2 into plus 5 plus 5 incorrect answers. That means 5 into minus 2 plus, here you see 5 plus 2 7 plus 3. 3 question 3 into 0. Right? Therefore, we are getting 5 to the 10 plus into minus, that is minus 5 to the 10 plus 0 3 0 0. That is plus 10 minus 10 comes to 0. Right? 0 marks. Therefore, you see that Mohan's score was 4 into plus 5 plus 6 into minus 2, that is 20, plus minus 12. That is 20 minus 12, that is got 8 marks. And Resma's score is 5 into plus 5 plus 5 into minus 2. If 5 is 25 minus 10, that is 15 marks. And Hina's score was 2 into plus 5 plus 5 into minus 2, 2 correct and 5 incorrect. 2 into plus 5 plus 5 into minus 2 plus 3 into 0, because she has not attempted 3 question, right? Therefore, 5 to the 10 plus into minus is minus, 5 to the 10 minus 10 plus 0, that is plus 10 minus 10 is equal to 0, and that means Hina's score is 0 marks. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.